Hey guys, it's Aaron with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the back cover, which would be all of this here. This whole plate on the Xbox One X. Let's jump right into it. So we're going to need a T10 screwdriver bit. You're going to want to unscrew these two screws. The console down, slide this back, now you're going to want to unscrew these two screws, these two, and these two. Put those screws to the side. You're going to want to switch to a T9 screwdriver bit and unscrew these two screws here, the front USB screws. We're going to unscrew those two, pop the USB port here, and then we're going to want to grab by the back of the console, pick up, slide back. Don't slide back too far yet. We're going to be popping this little connection here and then pulling down on it. We're going to get rid of the console here. And then since we're just showing this for demonstration purposes, I'll show you guys how to remove this. You're going to want to remove this USB port to put into the new back cover. And then we're going to grab our new back cover here. You're going to want to grab a new one. For demonstration purposes, it is the same one, but I'm just showing this just so you know how to take it all apart. You're going to grab that USB connection port that you took out. You're going to want to just pop it right into place here. Put it in. Make sure there's this little point that it wants to go through, this little pin. Make sure it goes through that pin. And just screw in these two screws. You're good there. So now you're going to want to slide this console back into place. You're going to make sure it all aligns properly. You're going to want to put this ribbon in before it's all the way back in place. That just makes it easier for me usually, but you can do it however you want, I guess. So you're going to want to slide this right into its little points here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you're going to want to slide it right into its little connections and it's going to fall right back into place. Then you're going to connect the USB here, put the points together, screw in the 2 points here. If at any time you do need the parts, or you want us to repair your console for you, feel free to comment in the comment section below or fill out the repair form. So once you have those two screwed in, you're going to want to put this top cover back into place. I'm going way too fast here. You're actually going to want to screw in your main body screws here. So there's the two, these two, that one, and the final one here. You're going to just want to tighten all those. Grab the top cover, put it on one side here, slide it on the other, make sure it falls into place. Don't be forcing nothing. If you're forcing it, there's something out of place. So then you're gonna flip it over here, put in the last two screws. And that is it. That is how you repair the whole back cover on the Xbox One X. If you do need any of the parts or tools used in this video, everything will be linked below. We do also service this device, and like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.